Alright, Jose, this is pretty easy. Once you install and launch the Photo Story 3 for Windows, you would click on Begin a New Story, click Next, import your pictures. I've downloaded several sample pictures from Facebook in regards to this event. We're going to click OK here. It's going to import all the photos. At this point, you can select each photo and manipulate them individually. You can click on Edit. You can do auto fixes of contrast, color levels, red eye, so on and so forth. You can add effects, but you probably not going to want to do this like that. Click Save. Click Close. Now we're going to go ahead and click Next. Here you can actually add titles to each of your pictures if you choose to do so. Here's where you change your customizations of your motions. So for example, right now, if we preview this, you'll see that it starts at the top and works its way at the bottom. By default, this will take about 9 seconds, but you can change that by clicking on the actual picture, specifying that you want to actually start your start and end motions, and you want to just kind of bring this one up a little bit. As you can see, when it was down here, it's going to take 19 seconds, but once I lift it just right above our head here, it drops down to 5 seconds. We'll hit save. You can actually preview that now and see that within 5 seconds it will transition over to the next photo. Click close, and I'm going to click on next. Now you can select your music. I've already downloaded something that you might like called Tony Bennett, and if we want, we can go ahead and preview this. Hopefully you can hear the music. I can in my ear. Maybe the recorder isn't going to allow it. Alright, stop that. Now we click on next. Now we click on next, we want to go to settings, and you want to change your output dimensions maybe to 1024 by 768. Click OK. Give the slider name. We'll go with 5. Next. Add exports. And then you can view your story.
Oh,
That's it.
Good life, full of fun.
We are done. Save your project if you wish. We'll put it in the same spot. And that's it.